morning. Please don't mind how I look, because I'm just going to yoga. It's been a while since I've made a video. It's December 14th. It's 24 degrees outside. I'm gonna go to yoga. I have to go to Menards and return a space heater that we got yesterday that does not work at all. Find a campsite and go camping. Well, I made a mistake. I forgot to bring any sort of water. We'll see how this goes. As you can see, we have a very full vehicle. Luna and I are ready to go. We are going to be in site 45E. It's an electric site at Wild River State Park. So I've only ever stayed in the non-electric campsites in the summertime at that park, which makes sense because all the electric ones are going to be filled with RVs in the summer. Tell everybody hi. Yeah. My truck says it's 28 degrees outside. We should be plenty warm. We have a brand new space heater. I did forget to bring a backup space heater, so fingers crossed that it works the entire time. I did test it out though. In the kitchen at home, it works, unlike the other space heater that I got. They're getting chilly already. Okay, well, the ground is frozen. That's not good. We're gonna try bread. Time to go get Luna out of the truck. Well, it's safe to say this isn't going as planned, but as long as no strong winds come and blow our tent down, should be good to go. It's pretty warm in there, so the new heater's working. baby to be warm. Okay, stand up. There. Wow. You don't like broccoli. Okay, Luna's got her hot water bottle and her sleeping bag. Yeah. Good morning. It's 6:52, right, Luna? We just went outside and we went potty. Right, Monk Monk? Christmas trees still going strong. It's pretty warm in here. Let me show you. I turned the oscillation off. It's pretty warm. The sun should be rising in about 45 minutes.
Snowflakes fall on a silent pine. Fluffy white dogs by my side. Cold breeze whispers it's just fine. With Luna here, our warmth won't hide. Winter
What the heck are these?
stars up high.
Are these turkey prints?
Luna's paw prints in the snow. Underneath
If anybody knows what these are,
by the fire's gentle glow.
comment below. Nobody has walked down here except
Night so still.
whatever made these little prints.
Flames dance wild, but we're not
Those are not Luna prints. Maybe
Luna's
raccoons?
eyes, they
I don't know.
always thrill. In this wonderland we've shared. Winter nights and stars up high. Luna's paw
What are you
prints in the
doing?
snow.
You look real cute in your dress.
Moonlit sky.
Okay, I guess we're going this way a little bit. And then we go back. It's getting chilly.
Tracks of creatures pale and small. Echoes of the wild and free. With my fluffy friend, that's all. The peace I need to comfort me. Winter nights and stars up high. Luna's paw prints in the snow. Underneath the moonlit sky. By the fire's gentle glow. Tracks of creatures pale and small. Echoes of the wild and free. With my fluffy friend, that's all. The peace I need to comfort me.
Okay, now is the hard part. It's trying to get it folded back up the right way. I should probably look at the directions. Now I'm getting hot. I have to take this off. Wish me luck. You looked very cute in your dress. Okay. Well, if you made it this far in the video, we just want to say thank you for spending this weekend with us. If you liked what you saw, feel free to like, subscribe, and comment below. Maybe let us know what you'd like to see next. Give us some adventure ideas, right, Monk? I think we're just gonna end the video here. Enjoy a few more minutes. Anyway, thank you for spending this weekend with us. We had a great time. We